Way back May 2011, I initiated HLR project, the headlight lens restoration. I invited Mr. Dwin to do a demonstration. Thank you, Mr. Dwin. Hope someday you will see this video. Once again, thank you so much, Pards. As a result of the demonstration, everyone was amazed. Just imagine a yellowish, hazed, deteriorated, and deeply scratched headlight lens become so clear and almost like brand new again. So I asked Mr. Dwin to train our painters, Sharif and Muhammad. Both painters easily learned the process. After presenting feasibility study and report of saving in availing the project against sublet repair, the management approved the said HLR project. July 2011, HLR project was implemented. Day by day, we learned more tricks. Even add lens protection to make it more clearer. By then, we had already perfected it. At the end of 2011, we managed to do 259 headlight lens restoration and save at least 40,000 dirhams for the company. As months and years passed by, the yearly report proved it all, and it was recognized as very good project. Up next, the formal recognition and launching of headlight lens restoration. Thanks for watching, mga Pards. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more Pards Dwin videos. So long, my friend. May God bless us all.